Hi there, my name is Mason Whitaker, President at Volt Technologies, and I'm going to walk you through a typical system architecture for a retailer. So, typical retailer is going to have an enterprise resource planning solution that's going to be running all their financials, sales, purchasing, and inventory. But then they're also going to have one of their main applications, which is the point of sale. So this is going to be that customer-facing application in the retail store that you're taking all of the orders, scanning the items, and having customers ultimately pay for the products. So this is going to be integrated with the ERP here, and you're going to have inventory flowing from the ERP to the point of sale. And then as sales are being made, inventory is being decremented within the ERP, as well as customers and orders flowing between as well to reflect against all the financials. So a dual-sided integration here between the POS and the ERP. From the POS, you're going to have a couple peripheral applications that you're going to be working with. The first being a credit card processor. So this will be capturing and authorizing all of the sales with credit cards and ensuring that we're collecting the funds. Then you're going to have your peripherals, which are going to be your scanners, your drawer, any sort of devices like displays or weight scales that you may be using. And that's going to be integrated directly in with the point of sale as well. And then you're also going to have a third-party tax provider. So managing all of the tax rates, ensuring that you're collecting the right amount of tax, having that integrated directly into the point of sale for managing that as well. And then so that's that front-facing system architecture that we typically see. Within the ERP, you're going to be integrating typically with a bank or multiple banks if you have it for bank statement as well as payments and just managing the cash. And then you're going to have a product lifecycle management solution that's going to be managing all of the design elements to your products as you're making changes to products and ultimately going through that iterative process of creating the goods. As those products are created, they're then passed down to the ERP itself to have run the engine. So this is the actual transacting engine here with the ERP. So a one-sided integration bringing that PLM data in to then be used in the ERP and pushed to some of the other peripheral systems. And then down here below, you're going to have your HRM, so your human resources management solution. For any new employees that are getting added or any payroll, you're going to have that then brought into your ERP to have that payroll journal posted against your general ledger. And then lastly here, you're going to have your productivity applications, so things like Excel, Word, PowerPoint. Within the Microsoft ERP stack, the Dynamics 365 ecosystem, that is seamlessly interoperable. But within others, you'll have to build out some integrations there, but this should be bi-directional as well, editing things in Excel and then having that published within the ERP. So this is a typical system architecture that we see with retailers. There definitely is some other complexity that can be added, especially if running wholesale like EDI or a CRM. But I'd love to hear your feedback down in the comments below of other systems that you've seen with typical retailers. Let me know.